Alright, this is Oklahoma Bridges. Welcome back to the Big Ben Chime Alarm Style 4 reconstruction, rebuild. And I've done a little bit of manipulative bending on the hairspring. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. I did not correct the little crook in the end, but I did correct some of the other bends on it. And as you can see, as I bring the hairspring to the regulator, it's not as wildly off as it was previously. So all I really have to do is just touch it gently. To get it to go through. And then as I continue round, you see it's almost in the right spot to go to the stud. The hairspring, though, it's got a rough spot on it, though, from all the places where it's been bent. I'm very, very near considering just going ahead and fitting another balance wheel with a different hairspring. You see there, it's just about in the right spot. After I move the regulator all the way over to that position there. See, the hairspring is just on the edge of the hole in the stud. Oops. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm trying to tease the spring back this way just a little bit. And you see I've gone too far that way and it popped back out. Okay. Let's try pitting it there, and then we'll move the regulator back and forth and see how much the beat changes from one position to the other. It was very encouraging to see, though, that it in the right spot it would run very nicely. Okay. As you can see, the beat didn't change much when I put the pin in. You see how much it's changed there? See how flattened out that is? Like it to be up like that, a nice arc. I'll see it's wanting to jam up again. See the hairsprings all bunched to one side? Yeah. This poor hairspring's had some abuse. Beat didn't change this way, but as I go back this way, see it's wanting to jam up. Still nice and flat though. So I think I'm going to